Hello everyone, welcome to Vedantu guys. So today I am going to discuss about the very important question of the definite integral guys. We have to find out the integration of sine 2x and sine 3x dx 0 and the limit is 0 tends to pi by 4 guys. So I am going to solve this question. This is the very interesting question and I am going to discuss the very important concept in this question guys. So the limit is 0 tends to pi by 4 guys, and this is in the form sine 2x sine 3x guys, right? So we know that what will be the formula. You can apply 2 sine a. We know that the formula 2 sine a sine b equal to, we can write here the formula 2 sine a sine b is equal to cos a minus b minus cos a plus b, right? Are you getting my points guys? Cos a plus b, right? So we are going to apply this formula, but this is not in the form of 2 sin a sin b, it is only in the form of sin a sin b. So how we can convert into the, how we can obtain into the form of 2 sin a sin b? By multiplying and dividing by 2 guys. So we can multiply and divide by the 2, so we will get the value 1 by 2, 0 tends to pi by 4, and 2 sin 2x sin 3x dx. Are you getting my points guys? Now we can write here 1 by 2, 0 tends to pi by 4, okay, and we can apply the cos a minus b guys. So cos a minus b is equal to, you can write here 2x minus 3x, so we will get the value is equal to minus x, and cos minus x is also plus cos x, so we can directly write here the cos x and minus cos 5x dx, right? Are you getting my points guys? Now I am going to integrate directly, and cos x equal to, we know that sin x, right, sin x minus sin 5x by 5, and the limit is 0 tends to pi by 4. Are you getting my points guys? Right? Now I am going to put the limits, okay? So we can write here the 1 by 2 sin pi by 4 minus sin 5 pi by 4 guys, 5 pi by 4 divided by 5, right? Okay, now and we can put the value 0, and after putting the value 0 we will get the 0 also. So you can simply write sin 0 and 1 by 5 sin 0, right? Okay, and we know that the value of sin 0 is equal to 0, right? And now we can write here is equal to 1 by 2, and sin pi by 4 is equal to, we can write here the 1 by root 2, right? Minus, we can write here the sin 5 pi by 4. So we can simply write it as sin pi plus pi by 4, because after adding we will get the value pi plus pi by 4 is equal to what? Pi plus pi by 4 is equal to, we can get what? Sin pi by 4 guys. So we can write here the 1 by 2, and this value is 1 by root 2, okay? And now we know that the sin pi plus theta equal to minus sin theta, so it will become plus sin pi by 4, and here one thing is also present, 1 by 5 guys, right? So we can write here directly 1 by 5 root 2, right? 1 by 5 root 2, and we can take the LCM, and after taking the LCM we will get the value what, 1 by 2, and it will become, after taking the 5 root 2, and we can write here in the numerator 5 plus 1 6, right? And directly we can solve this question, guys. So simply you can solve this question is equal to, you can write here 1 by 2 into 6 by 5 root 2, right? And after dividing you will get the value 3 by 5 root 2. 2 3 are 6, and we can say that answer will be, guys, 3 by 5 root 2. So it will be the correct answer, guys. So thank you.